Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Backdrop Stand is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for anyone looking to elevate their photography, videography, or event decoration game, offering a stable and adjustable framework to hang backdrops of various sizes and materials, transforming any space into a professional-looking studio or a captivating setting with ease and efficiency. Number 5. EMART 10 by 7 feet Adjustable Photo Studio Backdrop Stand. Our backdrop stand features a retractable crossbar, allowing you to easily adjust the width from 5.3 to 10 feet. This flexibility ensures it can accommodate various backdrop sizes for your creative needs. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy, this stand offers adjustable height from 2.6 to 7 feet. Its tripod base provides excellent stability, preventing shakes even at its maximum extension. Included clamps and sandbags help secure your backdrop and add weight for increased stability, especially when using heavier materials. Achieve a better shooting effect with these essential accessories. This kit is designed for convenience. It's lightweight and compact when stored in the included carry bag, making it easy to transport and store without taking up much space. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including professional photography, parties, weddings, and home decorations. Use it for product displays, photo booths, or even video shoots. Please note that the crossbar may bend slightly under heavy load due to gravity. We recommend not hanging objects over 10 pounds and using the sandbags for added stability, especially in windy conditions. What we like. This one features a retractable crossbar, offering great flexibility for different backdrop sizes. Its sturdy tripod base ensures stability even at maximum extension. If you need a versatile stand that can adapt to various shooting needs and comes with helpful accessories, this is a solid choice. What people say. The backdrop stand is very sturdy and stable, even with heavy backdrops. It was easy to set up and take down, which is great for portability. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different photo shoot needs. Number 4. Neewer 10 feet wide adjustable backdrop support system. Achieve professional studio results with this versatile backdrop support system. It provides a stable foundation for all your photography needs. Easily customize the height and width to perfectly fit any backdrop. This allows for a variety of creative setups for any project. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, it offers exceptional stability for backdrops up to 8.8 pounds. Sandbags are included for extra security. Keep your fabric or paper backgrounds firmly in place with the included strong spring clamps. No more slipping or sagging during your shoots. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from the stands and crossbars to clamps and a convenient carrying bag. It's perfect for studios, parties, and events. When you're done, simply pack it all into the included carrying bag. This makes it incredibly easy to transport and store between uses. What we like. This kit comes with 2 separate backdrop stands and 4 crossbars, providing excellent support and coverage. It also boasts a good load capacity for heavier backdrops. If you're looking for a comprehensive system that offers dual support or wider coverage, this package is ideal for you. What people say. The backdrop stand is surprisingly sturdy and holds heavy backdrops without any issues. Assembly was straightforward, and all the parts fit together perfectly. It's very stable once set up. The adjustable height and width are fantastic, allowing for a variety of backdrop sizes. It's lightweight enough to transport easily but feels robust. Number 3. HPUSN 10 foot x 7 feet Adjustable Backdrop Stand. This is a complete backdrop stand kit, perfect for all your photography and videography needs. It's lightweight and easy to move, making it ideal for events like parties, weddings, and even streaming. You can easily adjust the height of the stand anywhere between 2.3 feet and 7 feet. The crossbar also extends telescopically, allowing for a width of 5.2 feet up to 10 feet. Constructed from a durable and strong aluminum alloy, this frame is built to last. Its adjustable leg frames ensure stability and quick setup. Included are 6 background clips to securely hold your canvas, muslin, or paper backgrounds. This ensures you can create the perfect setup for any event. For added stability, 2 sandbags are provided. Simply fill them with weight to secure the frame and prevent any unwanted movement during your shoot. It also comes with a convenient travel bag, making it easy to transport and store your backdrop stand wherever you go. What we like. It offers adjustable leg frames and a telescopic crossbar for easy setup and customization. This stand is also lightweight and easy to move around. If you prioritize quick adjustments and portability for various events like parties or video shoots, this option is perfect. What people say. The backdrop stand is very sturdy and holds up well even with heavier backdrops. Assembly was surprisingly easy, taking less than 10 minutes to put together. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different photo shoot needs. Number 2. Aureday 10 by 7 feet Adjustable Photo Backdrop Stand Kit. This backdrop stand is an essential accessory for photography studios and event setups. It's perfect for holding backdrops and can also be used to display decorations like balloons and curtains for parties and weddings. Easily adjust the height from 2.3 to 7 feet and the width from 5 to 10 feet. This flexibility makes it ideal for any studio space or shooting requirement. Crafted from premium steel, it's built to last and provide a stable support system. It can confidently hold various backdrops up to 11 pounds, ensuring a seamless look. Included clamps grip your backdrop tightly to prevent wrinkles, ensuring a professional finish. The sandbags provide extra stability, especially for outdoor use. This kit includes everything you need: stands, crossbars, clamps, and sandbags, all fitting into a convenient carrying bag. We also offer 12-month support for peace of mind. What we like. Constructed from premium steel, this stand is built for durability and stability, featuring dual heavy-duty stands. It also comes with a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. If you need a robust and reliable stand for professional studio use or demanding events and value after-sales support, this is the one to consider. What people say. The backdrop stand is very sturdy and can hold heavy backdrops without any issues. Assembly was straightforward and took only a few minutes. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different photography needs. Number 1. Round Backdrop Stand, 7.2-foot Gold Circle Arch. This backdrop stand is designed for maximum stability. It comes with water sandbags and T-shaped bases, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor events. Setting up this circle arch stand is a breeze. It requires no tools and minimal effort, saving you time so you can focus on your event. Crafted from premium, rust-resistant iron, this stand is built to last. Its elegant gold finish adds a touch of luxury to any setting. Whether you're decorating with heavy balloon garlands or floral arrangements, this stand can handle it all. It's strong enough for any creative vision. This versatile backdrop is ideal for weddings, birthday parties, or baby showers. It transforms any venue into a photo-ready space with its glamorous gold finish. Don't worry about the elements. This stand is built to be sturdy and stable, even when used outdoors and exposed to wind. What we like. This unique stand is made from rust-free iron with an elegant gold circle design, perfect for creating a stunning visual. It's also incredibly easy to assemble without any tools. If you're looking for a stylish and stable arch for weddings, parties, or balloon decorations that adds a touch of glamour and is quick to set up, this is your go-to. What people say. The backdrop stand is very sturdy and holds heavy backdrops without any issues. Easy to set up and take down, which is great for portability. The adjustable height and width make it versatile for different photo shoot needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.